Chapter 7: Machine Learning and Deep Learning. Two important parts of AI are: 1. Machine learning. Machines learn from data. Example, YouTube learning what videos you like. 2. Deep learning. Advanced learning using neural networks. Example, ChatGPT, facial recognition. Simple animation showing neurons connecting, like a brain. Chapter 8: Real-life examples that will blow your mind. Let's look at amazing examples of AI. Tesla using AI to drive cars. ChatGPT writing essays, stories. DeepMind's AlphaFold solving 50-year-old biology problems. AI in agriculture detecting sick plants via drone. AI in music composing entire symphonies. Chapter 9: Misconceptions about AI. Let's clear some myths. AI is not conscious or alive. AI doesn't want to take over the world. Not all jobs will be lost to AI. AI is a tool, like fire or electricity. AI depends on how humans use it. Chapter 10: Opportunities and Challenges. Opportunities: better healthcare. Safer transportation. Faster research, smarter education. Challenges: job replacement. Ethical decisions. Bias in data, privacy issues. Conclusion: the future AI is already here. It's not just the future, it's the present. If you learn AI today, you can become one of the builders of tomorrow. Whether you want to build smart apps, start a business, or just understand the world better, AI is your path. In the next episode, we'll explore the history of AI in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.